There are a lot of sources of GIS data out there. In this video, I'm going to show you top 5 sites from where you can download GIS files or different types of data formats. First one is Divagis, which is one of the most popular database system for GIS data. It's a free computer program for mapping and geographic data analysis. You can make maps of the world or of a very small area using the spatial data, for example state boundaries, rivers, etc. Or you can download elevation maps or different types of administrative areas. Now the second one is GIS, which provides also maps and spatial data for different countries. It's also a very popular site for GIS data, and you can browse the maps or download data to make your own maps for any country of the world. Yes, I've selected the United States, and you can download the shapefile from there. Now the shapefile downloaded. Now the third one is the NaturalAtData. It's also a very common database system for GIS data, for downloading GIS data. You can browse different types of cultural, physical, and raster dataset from there. And it's a public domain map dataset available in different scales. And you can make a variety of visually pleasing, well-crafted maps with cartography or GIS softwares. Now the fourth one is Geofabric, which is a German website or a German database system where you can download different GIS data formats. And personally, I use the Geofabric website when I work with the GIS data. I love it actually because the various types of data are there for different regions. Like I'm going to select the Asia region, and you can download vegetation maps or biodiversity maps and many other sectors from there. Number 5 is Socioeconomic Data and Application Center, which is also called the SADC, and you can visualize the different maps from there. That's all for today. These are the 5 popular websites for GIS data download.